Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we uncover shady sites, fake offers, and online traps so you don't lose your time or money. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss a single scam alert. Today, we're looking at a site that's caught the attention of tons of Roblox players, Cashblox.g. This website claims you can earn free Robux and Roblox gift cards by doing simple tasks like surveys, app installs, or watching videos. But the big question is, can you really earn Robux with Cashblox.gg? Or is it just another fake promise with no payout? So here's how the site says it works. You sign up, choose a few offers, like downloading an app, signing up for a service, or answering a survey. And in return, you earn points that you can convert to Robux or gift cards. Seems easy enough, right? But as always, we dug deeper. Here's what we found when we checked online forums, Reddit threads, and reviews. Some users did earn small amounts of Robux, but it took a lot of effort and time. Others completed multiple offers and got nothing in return. No Robux, no points, no payout. Many offers ask you to enter personal data, sign up for paid trials, or download risky apps. A privacy and security concern. There's no official partnership between Roblox and Cashblox.gg, which means this site is not endorsed or trusted by Roblox at all. Worst of all, some users reported getting account warnings or bans for using third-party sites to gain Robux, violating Roblox's terms of service. Even if Cashblox.gg pays out for a few users, the risks heavily outweigh the rewards. You're trading time, data, and maybe even your Roblox account's safety, just for a chance at earning some Robux. And let's be honest, if it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. So, is Cashblox.gg or a scam? Technically, it's not a full-on scam, but it's definitely not trustworthy or reliable. You might get lucky, but there's a high chance you'll waste your time, risk your personal info, and possibly violate Roblox rules. If you want Robux, the safest way is still through official channels like Roblox's own website, or gift cards from trusted stores. Have you tried Cashblox.gg? Did you get any Robux, or was it a total waste of time? Drop your experience in the comments below. Your feedback could help someone avoid a scam. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with every Roblox fan you know. This is Online Scam Advisor, keeping you safe from digital traps, one scam at a time. Thank you.